Melon, the Melon Splash. The Melon Splash. The Melon Splash Foaming Whipped Sugar Scrub. Hello and welcome back to the Tekbird Soaps Lab. My name is Jazzy. I am the owner and soap maker here at Tekbird Soaps. In today's making of video, I'm really excited to share with you the making of a new product. This is going to be a brand new product to my shop. In today's video, we're making foaming whipped sugar scrub. It's got organic cane sugar for exfoliation. We've got some great skin-loving ingredients included like vitamin E oil and avocado oil to help boost the moisturizing of this soap. I love watermelon fragrance. When I was a kid, watermelon candies and treats were my absolute favorite. Something about that weird, sugary, melony scent just really made it feel kind of like summertime. I wanted to have like a fun, fruity fragrance to help chase away those winter blahs. So stick around and watch the making of this foaming whipped sugar scrub. welcome back. Thanks so much for watching this making of the Melon Splash Foaming Whipped Sugar Scrub. I had to say that like 4 or 5 times. I had a ton of fun creating this product for you. It came together very quickly and easily, and the best part about this is I can use it immediately. When I make my cold process soaps, they take 4 to 6 weeks to fully cure. So I have all this fantastic soap literally just sitting in the corner curing, and I can't do anything with it for like a month. So it's really exciting to have a product that I can test out and use immediately. The neat thing about this fragrance is that it doesn't necessarily just smell like candy or just smell like watermelon. It smells like watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew all rolled into one. It's a super fun fragrance. I love the way that these colors came out. This green and pink go so well together. You saw that I used a little bit of a neon pigment to help really boost the colors of the green and the pink while I was mixing it all together. So these labels are really cool. They're waterproof labels that I got from Online Labels. I was able to print them on my home laser color printer, and I feel like they worked out great. Thanks again for watching the video. Thank you if you made it this far. If you liked what you saw in today's video, please like and subscribe. I'm a super duper small channel, and every like, every subscribe, every comment really helps boost my view to the world of YouTube. So every little bit that you do helps, and you don't even have to spend $1. If you liked what you saw today, or if you have any questions about anything, or if you have any requests for anything that you'd like to see me make, just leave me a comment down below. You'll be able to purchase this Foaming Whipped Sugar Scrub along with the rest of my January release on my website, tekbirdsoaps.com, on January 15th. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.